Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So today our 10 topic, right, or how to upgrade our personality, right? And I'm very happy bhai we are completing our half journey today and next is going very good, right? From day 1 to day 10 if you are working on it, right, you see the result. And if you don't start, then you are still there. So please, if you are starting, then very good. Comment me if you are started, on which topic you are reached right now. And if you are not started, then please go and start. It's not for me. You are not doing for me. Okay, you are doing for yourself, right? For your family, for your favorites one. Okay, they were not deserve this type of people which you are right now maybe. Okay, so make a something new in you. Okay, और बाकी चलो शुरू करते हैं. So today we have 10th topic and that is set a goal, right, which is the one of the most beautiful, interesting, right, hard, or maybe for your for maybe hard हो सकता है, interesting हो सकता है, बहुत knowledgeable है also. So let's start. There are only 5 points. I always take a 5 to 6 point, not much, because videos length going a lot of long. So let's start with a small line. Here is the line where I found your daily routine determines your success or failure. हाँ, ये तो मान लो. If you have routine कि तुमने सुबह 9 बजे उठना है, तुमने उठ के फ़ोन चलाना है, कॉलेज गए तो गए, स्कूल गए तो गए, नहीं गए पढ़ा तो पढ़ा, पेरेंट्स के सामने पढ़ने बैठ जा रहे हो, बट स्टिल यू आर स्क्रॉलिंग द रील्स, प्लेइंग गेम्स, राइट. इफ यू हैव पैशन टू प्ले अ गेम तो भाई उसके लिए तुम ऑफिशियली जाओ. That where you can show your families, for your those who doubting on you that you can't able to do anything. But if you are not that much capable, तो please भाई जो goal है जो तुमने set करना है, that's why I'm going to talk about set a goal. भाई सबसे पहले तो यही है. If you don't know what you are going to achieve, how you can reach there, right? So here we have first point and that is our specific. Now whenever we set our goal, it should be clear and specific for one thing, right? What's it mean by? सबसे पहले तो ये सुनो तुम. If we know, right now I know that I want to become a chef, right? Best chef of India. Okay, so for that what should, पहले तो मेरे पास goal होना चाहिए, which I have, that I want to become a this, right? So सबसे पहले यही है. In your life there are a lot of people who such really don't know at the age of 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, above then around when they are becoming 27th also, right? They still don't know what they really want. They still don't know what they want to become, and because of that they are going to be just lost in their loops, and in the end they are doing any private or government job in which they are not satisfied by their salary also, by their work also, by their members also, right? So first of all you need to set a goal. Okay, starting for the small goals which you can improve every day, right? And then you can go for long terms, right? So now second point, that is measurable, जो मैंने अभी बताया. When we tracking our process or our goal is an important part of keeping us motivated, right? For example, right now I have a goal that I want good physique, not like that ज़्यादा bulky हो जाऊँ, right? I love like skinny, but still I want little bit strong, my postures like straight posture, right? So for that I'm doing everyday exercise. Okay, for that for tracking that I every day take a selfie in which I can compare the first day and the now, how different I am. I'm making this video. If you are going to the first day of this video, you see me how underconfident I am, but still right now I know right now maybe I am, but still I have guts to say something clear to you, which easy to understand you also, right? So here we have second point. First you need to set a goal, specific goal where you can see clearly कि yes, I want to become this, I can do this, I achieve this type of goal, right? Second, measure it, that you are working on it. So if it's showing that you are working, or you are just set a goal and you are sleeping and same loop, right? Third, a timetable. A timetable means when we make sure that it's possible to achieve that dream, right? Which we set for ourselves. There are too many people fall into the trap and saying this, right? So भाई यही है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गोल बना लिया. सेकंड इज योर कि तुमने मेजर कर लिया, राइट? तुम्हें पता है कि तुम ट्रैक कर रहे हो. सेकंड, अचीवेबल होना चाहिए, राइट? ऐसा नहीं कि बचपन में सोच लिया चांद पे जाना है एंड राइट नाउ यू आर डूइंग एचएम. नो, आई एम जस्ट टेक अ जोक, बट स्टिल जाना तुमने किसी और साइड है एंड यू आर टेकिंग अ रूट समवेयर एल्स, राइट? तुमने करनी है एचएम एंड यू आर डूइंग सीएससी इंजीनियरिंग. सो हियर इज ओके. सो भाई पहले उसको पता करो, क्या तुम उसे अटेंड कर भी पाओगे, क्या वहाँ तक पहुँच भी जाओगे, या ड्रीम वो सच में ही है, या यू आर जस्ट स्लीपिंग एंड टेकिंग अ ड्रीम. यस, आई वांट टू गो इन मून एंड डूइंग दिस. इज इट अचीवेबल और नॉट? ठीक है, ये देखो, नाइस. फोर्थ पॉइंट, दैट इज रिलेटेबल, relevant. I'm so sorry, right? Still, I'm very confused because there are a little bit noise behind me. Please ignore it. So that's why. By relevant होना चाहिए. Of course, our plan should be relevant to the direction where where we want our life and career to take, right? ऐसा नहीं है यू आर सी योर सेल्फ, जो मैंने तुम्हें अभी बता दिया, यू आर सी ड्रीम्स गो टू द मून बट यू आर स्टिल डूइंग CSC एंड यू आर जस्ट नॉर्मल एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द ईयर, राइट? तो एक ऐसा, और उस पर वर्क करना शुरू करो बाय स्टेप. आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ शेफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने उसके लिए क्या किया? आई टेक अ फर्स्ट स्टेप टू टेक अ एडमिशन इन अ गुड कॉलेज, गुड यूनिवर्सिटी इन विच आई कैन एक्सप्लोर माई स्किल्स, राइट? What is my second? If I want to become a best chef, to participate in, do you know, CCA, co-curricular activities in college, giving interview for the 5-star hotels or more than that, right? Giving in hotels. Because of that, after then when I'm do you know, in between the major chefs, that's why I know that how the work's going on, right? So relevant होना चाहिए, of course, भाई बता दिया मैंने. Now the last, time bond, one of the most important point. इसके बिना this is the one of the most important for goal. ये तो तुम मान के चलो. If you are thinking कि भाई goal set हो गया, I want to become I want to become a pilot. Okay, you complete your 12th standard, right now you at home, you are taking a drop and you want to become a pilot. But you want to become at the age of 30. Right now you are 18 and you don't have any, deadline. And you are just thinking कि whenever I want, but I want to become a pilot. चाहे उसको बनते बनते तुम्हें 30, 35, 40 साल लग जाए, right? उतना तो उसमें यार deadline भी खत्म हो जाएगी. So this is the one of the most important part for a goal. Why? Our plan must have the deadline. If we don't set it, okay, set time to achieve our goal. भाई of course ही बात है. For me, I have do you know, once time my father said to me कि take a drop for a year. After then we are giving you a good, after then we are giving you more good higher educations or taking admission in more higher universities for you. But I said no. If एक साल में अगर मैं वहाँ ड्रॉप कर लेता ना, मैं if I am starting for a graduation also like BCom, okay, so still मैं अभी एक साल पीछे होता. And for me, I am not, ऐसा भी ज़्यादा बात नहीं है that मैं एक साल पीछे होता. But when you are compare yourself to others ना, then you see कि भाई सच में, अब just imagine मेरे से एक साल आगे मेरे कितने दोस्त हो जाते हैं. It's not about only my classmates, it's about whole India. Whole India में कितने बच्चे होंगे जिन्होंने मेरे साथ +2 कंप्लीट की, but still they are doing something and I am taking a break. राइट? जब करना ही मुझे वो था, देन व्हाई शुड आई गो टू द सेकंड पॉइंट टू टेकिंग इट सो लॉन्ग? So for that, there should be a deadline for your goal in which you need to achieve that. And if you don't have that, then it's take a lot of time. Maybe it's not going to be done. Okay, so this is now we complete our 5 points, but now there is a one, इत्तेफाक जिसे बोलते हैं, miracle. In every single point, the first sentence, if you just every single point na, there is a topic, like there are 5 points: specific, measurable, okay, attainable, relevant, and time bound. If I just take a first words, alphabet of every single point, then what it's going to become? That is called smart, right? Now, what's the meaning of smart? Most people think that it is the one time event, right? कि गोल बना दिया, एक दिन काम कर लिया, अब मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ. No, we set our goals once and we are done, but never end, right? For example, I got ठीक है, मैंने तुम्हें जैसे बताया, now next 6 months I have a time to build my body in a good way. ठीक है, ना ज़्यादा बल्कि, बट हाँ, इन अ स्पोर्ट्स वे, दैट आई हैव गुड स्टेमिना, गुड स्ट्रेंथ, राइट? सो फॉर दैट आई एम वर्किंग फॉर 6 months, राइट? एंड आफ्टर दैट आई सी दैट येस आई हैव दैट, आई अचीव दैट बॉडी. सो व्हाट, मैं काम करना छोड़ दूँ उस पर? और अगर छोड़ दिया, देन व्हाट्स द गारंटी दैट आई लाइक ऑलवेज गेट दैट टाइप ऑफ फिजिक? नहीं ना. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, भाई स्मार्ट लोग वही होते हैं. They know there are a lot of शाहरुख खान को ले लो तुम. What do you think? तुम्हें क्या लगता है, शाहरुख खान आज के ज़माने में इतना अमीर है, but still he was making movies. Why? उसका काम हो गया ना. उसको क्या फेम, भाई फेम उसको ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में है, राइट? He have fame, name, every single thing. Reach तो वो इतना है, if he don't even go to earn na, still he got a lot of popularity, right? So here's the point. बाकी have a good night. काम करो यार, रात को ही नहीं सोचना ये सब कुछ, right? काम करना शुरू करो. Everyone, every single day upgrade you 0.001% यार. Every single day you see result. बट एक बार बस 2 चीज़ें, एक डिसिप्लिन एंड सेकंड कंसिस्टेंसी. करना है तो करना है, देयर इज नो वन. डिसिप्लिन का मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरा दिन यू आर जस्ट रीड बुक्स, डूइंग योर हॉबीज एक्सेट्रा. Real discipline comes when your mind, when your mood saying no to that work, but you know that it's very important, and then you are doing work on it. That is called discipline, right? That is called when everyone saying to you that no, this is not your type, this work is not for your type, you are not made for this, but after then you are doing that, you know that you don't get a good result, but you are still doing that. That is called discipline and consistency. भाई रोज करो. If you are thinking एक दिन में काम हो जाएगा, then there is no one, there is not even God who give you this thing. गॉड को पाने के लिए भी सालों साल की तपस्या करनी पड़ती है. आफ्टर दैट अगर गलती से भंग हो जाए वो, राइट? मेडिटेशन फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड, जस्ट इमेजिन 100 of years, एंड देन इन अ सिंगल मिनट अगर वो खराब हो जाए, देन ऑल्सो गॉड डोंट लाइक गिव यू व्हाट यू वांट. सो ये तो जस्ट यू आर गॉट इन 2-3 years ऑल्सो. सो ऑलवेज वर्क ऑन यू. If you see this video, right, if you see that something you got from this video, please like, share, subscribe, right? पहुंचाओ अपने दोस्तों तक. I don't want कि भाई सारे ही वो हो जाएं, but still if someone see this video और अगर 2% भी people हो रहे हैं, then I was happy कि yes, right? So thank you so much. Still you are here for me, right? For yourself, and upgrade yourself. That is the one of the good thing, right? Baki, take care of yourself and see you tomorrow. Have a good night.